James, how would you read this next section with a British accent?
Smokey had built one of the most batshit insane Supras ever. He yanked out the stock's twin turbocharged 2JZ engine and replaces it with a 5-litre 12-cylinder 1GZ FE from Toyota's Century Executive Limousine. But that wasn't enough. He bolted an HKS turbo onto either side and used 2 ECUs to control the engine. Legend has it that this Supra made 930 horsepower and 745 pounds of torque. This thing had a crazy aerodynamic body kit and suspension that could adjust itself on the fly. And, to top it all off, a very nice gold paint, the colour of the Queen's crown. Smokey was gunning for 200 miles per hour, so he shipped the car to England. He hopped on the somewhat straight A1 expressway, where he was able to reach a speed of 197 miles per hour before being arrested by the Johnnies and spending a few days in London Tower, which is what we call jail here.